Welcome to our channel. Today we how to create a custom API with Postman, complete guide step by step clearly. Open Postman and log in to your account. Create a new workspace by clicking on the Workspaces option. Select Create Workspace and enter a name for your new project. Choose the workspace type that fits your project needs, then click Create Workspace. In your new workspace, click on New to create a new request. Select API from the options presented. Enter your API's name, then choose a version if applicable. Click on Create API to proceed. Now, you will be directed to your API's overview page. On this page, find the Schemas tab and click on it. Here, you will define your API structure using OpenAPI specifications. Click on Add New Schema. In the schema editor, write your API documentation using JSON or YAML format. Be sure to include details like endpoints, methods, and response types. Once you have your schema written, click Save. Next, navigate to the Endpoints tab within your API overview. Click on Add New Endpoint to create a new API endpoint. Fill in the necessary details like the endpoint path, method, and a brief description. Click Save to finalize the endpoint creation. Now, return to the API tab and click on Deploy API to make it publicly accessible. Select the environment for deployment, then click Deploy. After deployment, Postman will generate a public URL for your API. Now, go to your workspace and create a new request to test your API. Select the method corresponding to your endpoint, and enter the generated URL. Include any required headers or authentication details if necessary. Click Send to make the API call. Review the response to confirm that your API is functioning as intended. If everything looks good, your custom API is now ready to be used. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.